Welcome to my channel Car Wassel. Today, we're diving into the world of hypercars with the SCG 003 CS by Scuderia Glickenhaus. This beast isn't just a car, it's a symphony of power, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering. Let's break down everything you need to know about this marvel that exceeds 230 miles per hour unmatched engine power. At the heart of the SCG 003 CS lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, generating 800 horsepower. This powerhouse, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensures seamless gear changes and optimal power delivery, promising an exhilarating experience whether on the track or the highway. Luxurious design and features. The SCG 003 CS is a masterpiece of automotive design, combining aggressive aerodynamics with luxurious touches. The lightweight carbon fiber exterior enhances both performance and aesthetics. Inside, the cabin features premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and state-of-the-art technology, including a digital instrument cluster and a bespoke audio system, making every drive both thrilling and comfortable. Cutting-edge specifications. This hypercar boasts advanced features that set it apart. Top speed, over 230 miles per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 2.9 seconds. Weight, 2,866 pounds, 1,300 kilograms. Suspension, double wishbone with pushrod-operated coilovers. Brakes, carbon ceramic discs. Its aerodynamics package includes an adjustable rear wing and active aero elements for optimal downforce and stability at high speeds. Pricing and availability. The SCG 003 CS, priced around $2 million, reflects its bespoke nature and cutting-edge technology. With extremely limited production, each unit ensures exclusivity, making every owner part of an elite group of hypercar enthusiasts. The SCG Legacy. Founded by filmmaker and car enthusiast James Glickenhaus, Scuderia Glickenhaus has a rich history of producing innovative and competitive vehicles. The SCG 003 CS embodies their commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and luxury, combining the thrill of a race car with the sophistication of a luxury vehicle. The SCG 003 CS is more than just a car. It's a statement of power, luxury, and exclusivity. With its breathtaking performance, cutting-edge features, and impeccable design, it sets a new standard in the world of hypercars. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, keep your engines roaring.